This is our diamond ring video from Phillips Fiber Art. Whether you want to use up some scraps, pull from your stash, or try something fresh and new, this project is for you. Let me show you. To make this quilt, you'll need a Squedge 45. We have the 45s available in 3 different sizes. For the project behind me, I've used a large 45. Here's the tool here. One makes a 16-inch square, so it works up really fast. We also have a set of tools that makes a 12-inch block. This is what a 12-inch block looks like. If you'd like to go even smaller, this is the 8-inch. Here is the 8-inch block. Whether you make a 16, a 12, or an 8, it's the same number of pieces in this project. The only difference is your scale and the size of your finished project. So now I want to show you how much fun this project is to make. We will start with our background fabric. Use that Squedge 45 as a template, cut around all the sides, and you'll get your background pieces. The key to cutting those triangles is always starting with a clean, straight edge. Place the tool on the edge of that fabric right where the slotted lines are. Now, cut around the other sides of the tool and you have the triangle that will create your diamond. Next, we're ready to make the block. You'll need 4 backgrounds, which are the kite shapes, and 4 triangles, which are part of your diamond rings. So, sew your pairs together and now press. I prefer to open my seams because it makes the center lay so nice and flat. Once you have the pairs sewn, you're ready to sew the pairs together to create halves. Really important to make sure that the center point matches exactly. So I take a pin and I poke it through where the intersection is, match that through the one below it, and then I'm able to sew that seam and everything lines up perfect. Once the halves are sewn together, you also want to press this seam open and your block is finished. You'll also notice that this project has a built-in border. You'll be making blocks like this, you'll be making 4 corner blocks, and then you'll be making your side blocks, which creates a border and it tends to float those rings. Just sew those together in rows together until you have your top completed. There you have it. Wasn't that a painless project? Come on, it was fun, wasn't it? The part I liked about it was I don't throw anything away. I have boxes and boxes of scraps. You'd just be appalled. But I found going through them, it was really fun because it was like a trip down memory lane. And I had all 3 of my Squedge tools, Squedge 45. And if I had a piece big enough, I'd cut the 45. A medium-sized one, I'd cut it for the 12-inch, or the little guy, and I'd cut my little pieces. I kept these in plastic bags, sorting it by size, and saved that for another day and just sat there and sewed. It was a wonderful thing to do this winter. Long winter day and snowing outside, and I just pieced this together. Just a lot of fun. What you need to do is go to our website, phillipsfiberart.com, and download the diamond ring digital pattern. That pattern comes with the instructions for the 8, the 12, and the 16-inch blocks. So you can do any size you want. The Squedge 45 tools are also available on our site. Again, that's phillipsfiberart.com, and we hope to see you there. Thank you.